Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by confirming your phone supports eSIM and that it's unlocked. This matters because locked devices can't switch carriers. Next, back up contacts and messages and save any IXID or IMSI you can find. Once you remove the physical SIM, you'll thank yourself. Then contact your carrier and request an eSIM QR, activation code, or ask for an in-app transfer. These are the three main delivery methods, so tell them which you prefer and get any required PINs or authorizations. Once you have the QR code or activation details, open Settings and go to Cellular or Mobile Data, then choose Add eSIM. If using the carrier app, start the transfer flow and follow on-screen prompts. Scan the QR code with your camera when prompted, or paste the activation code and any PIN exactly as given. After installation, label the new profile, assign it as primary or secondary for voice and data, and make sure roaming and APN settings match carrier recommendations. Finish by restarting your phone and verifying you have carrier signal and the right phone number listed. Make a test call and send a message to confirm. If activation fails, rescan the QR or re-enter the activation code. If problems persist, ask your carrier to reset the eSIM profile or push the activation again. Keep the physical SIM for a short overlap until everything works. If contacts or settings are missing, restore from your backup and double-check APN or network selection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.